As a sewing person, I like to look my best all the time by wearing what I sew. This morning in this video, I want to, as always, as usual, just sew my usual triangular head tie for this beautiful dress that I made and I'm wearing already for you to see. I like to match all my dresses with a small triangular head tie. I don't know what it does for me, but I just like the look. So come with me as we go to the cutting table to cut it. I'll show you the usual small measurements I use for myself. Please learn to use your own measurement to suit you. Let's go to the cutting table. My name is Sew with Teresa. Welcome to my channel. This is the remainder fabric from this cloth that I sewed. And so I'm going to use it to sew my triangular head tie. Round my forehead, I like to make it 38 inches. 38. Down from my forehead to the tip of the triangle, I make it 18 and half. 18 and half. Again, I say round my forehead, I like to make it 38 inches. 38 inches. That is just the two measurements that I use. You may alter yours to suit you. So here it is. A tie just to suit this desire to always have a small triangular head tie for my handmade clothes. Here we are. How does it feel? Thank you for watching. And please, as always, if this video has been useful for you, click the like button, share for others to see, and subscribe to my channel. I teach sewing in its simplest form. I make varieties of sewing projects that will suit you personally. And please be intentional about your sewing. You will love what you wear. It will inspire others and inspire you the more. You will have that confidence that you always desire when you wear your clothes. And by the way, I learned to sew because I was angry with the way the things I bought sat on me. I was not impressed and I started to sew mine. Thank you for watching. See you next time when you do stop by to watch my other videos. Bye.